This is our thermoscientific iCAP-Q inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometer, a versatile tool for analyzing inorganic elements across the periodic table with high sensitivity and a wide dynamic range. It offers both liquid solution and gas modes and has a liquid vapor separator for mercury analysis. The iCAP offers a time-resolved mode for laser ablation or speciation. Collision cell technology and kinetic energy discrimination modes drastically reduce interference. This instrument is connected to a Class 10 trace metal clean lab and features a 240-place auto-sampler for efficient, high-throughput analyses. Researchers from various fields rely on the iCAP-Q ICP-MS, and training is available for independent operation. Explore more at cores.research.asu.edu.